Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the factors of 150 and the first 10 multiples of 4. So this is how we do it. For 150, it can be equals to 1 times 150, 2 times 75, 3 times 50. 4 is not possible. 4 is not a factor. 5 times 30. 6 times 25. 7 no. 8 no. 9 is not. And 10 times 15. 11, 12, nope. And that's it. And therefore, if you realize that, therefore 150 is divisible by the following list of factors. As for part B, the first 10 multiples of 4 would then be, first 10 multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.